Introducing the Eroute 6003B, a revolutionary electric wheelchair that pushes the limits of mobility and comfort to a new level. This model is equipped with powerful motors that provide a total of 500 watts. The design of the wheelchair is adapted to a maximum load capacity of 300 pounds. Everything is powered by a high-performance lithium battery with a capacity of 20 amp-hours. The Eroute 6003B offers automatic reclining of the backrest and footrests, easily controlled by remote control. Need a reclining position? No problem. Folding side armrests allow easy entry and exit. Thanks to the powerful motors, you can turn the wheelchair on the spot, which is ideal for tight spaces. The Eroute 6003B is primarily controlled by a 360-degree joystick that can be easily attached to both the right and left side of the wheelchair. You can adjust the speed and sensitivity of the controls on the joystick. Stopping is easy. Just let go of the joystick and the electromagnetic brakes are automatically activated. When the electric motors are switched off, the wheelchair can be pushed by a second person. Choose from a wide range of Eroute wheelchair accessories. If you need advice on choosing a wheelchair, please do not hesitate to contact us by phone or via our website.